Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'll be installing this unit here from Incolorwig. So I do want to say a huge shout out and thank you to them for sending over today's unit. If you guys are interested in seeing today's install as well as hearing what I think about it, then make sure you continue to watch today's video. And of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified when I upload. And then you can follow me on my socials. They'll be here on my screen as well as my description bar below. Now we can go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright you guys, so here is the end of the install. Tell me what you guys think about it in the comment section below. So as I stated earlier, the unit comes from Incolorwig, and this one is actually in the color 8, which I have never tried before, but I'm actually really liking this color. So when I took it out of the packaging, I was completely nervous and scared because I was like, how is this going to look? It is literally all straight one color, and if it isn't usually like in the black or brown or something like that, then I usually tend to stir away from it. And if it is going to be some color, it usually fades from like black or brown into, you know, one of those vibrant colors. But this one's just full on giving me, what is this, kind of like orangey redhead type vibes, but I'm actually really liking it. Y'all gotta let me know what you think of the color in the comment section below. So I have the information pulled up right here in front of me so I can tell you all about the unit. So this one is the hot number 8 straight wig, and I have it in 20 inches here. And there's also a coupon code for you to use on it to save some money on your purchase, which is Y1TB. And they also have 30% off on a lot of their other wigs, and they also sell other style wigs. But this one here is actually a faux scalp is installed in this unit, and it has 2 combs here in the front, and you also have one in the back, and you also have adjustable straps. And the hairline is more so thinned out and natural right here in the front where the actual faux scalp is, and it's about, I think it's a 4x4 or it might be a 5x5. I'm not double sure. Let me see if I can pull it up and make sure, but I think it's 5x5. 5x5. Lace, 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 lace. Okay, I can't find it, y'all, but I'm pretty sure that this is 5x5, and it has 150% density. Okay, so the colors are here, ginger, which is what I said. I said like a redhead, which is usually you call redheads, they're gingers. That's what this giving me, and I've never tried ginger, and ginger looks pretty darn good. Okay, so just to get into the faux scalp area, I did go in and pluck the hairline as well as pluck the parting space just to make that a little bit more wide, make it look a little bit more natural. I think plucking it out thins it out a lot more and helps it blend and melt into your skin to look a lot more natural, and I think that's pretty important if you're going to try a hair color that isn't like your natural hair tone. I would suggest plucking this out, because thinning this out here made it melt into the forehead space a lot better. Alright, so here is an up-close view of how I got the unit installed. This is what she's looking like as a quick little close-up of the install. I also used a little bit of product here on the hair just to flatten it, and use my hot comb, lots of heat, to flatten it out as well, helping it look a little bit more natural. So even if you don't have a hot comb, you can use like your curling wand or your flat iron. Just get really close to the roots there to thin it out and flatten it out some. All of my tools actually come from Amazon, so check my description bar below. I'll have some links there for you to check out those hot tools and the accessories to use on your hair. I did add some makeup to my parting space as well, just to make that a lot more visible. But other than that, y'all, it was a pretty easy, simple, quick install, I would have to say. Me doing the adjustable straps in the back, I'm not sure if you caught that at the beginning, definitely made the unit fit a lot more tight, and it really made it where I didn't necessarily have to use the glue. But anytime I initially cut my lace off, I do kind of like to use some type of adhesive or hold spray. But I do have a feeling that the next time I grab this wig to wear it, I won't have to use any spray on it at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All I have to say about it. I don't have any shedding, any tangling, or anything like that. Very well made unit. It's really good quality. I'll give you guys like a 360 view so you can also see that as well. Thing I will say is that I wish it had a higher density. For this to be 20 inches, I feel like it would have been like super bomb had it been just a little bit more thick. But the amount of hair that's on there, I do think that makes it look more realistic, because personally I feel like if my hair was to grow out this long, it definitely wouldn't be super thick. It would be about this thin, so it helps it look realistic. But it's just like a personal preference for myself, wishing that it was just a little bit thicker. But you guys might just be just fine with it just like this, so that is just something to consider there. But rating this unit, I would definitely give it a good 9 out of 10. It's a really good quality wig, and it looks really pretty. So that's all I got for you. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Thank you again to Incolorwig for sending over today's wig. And if you have any questions, just leave them in my comment section below. And that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.